Hello guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Okay, I'll check the Sky. I bring my second song. My first one was the one I did with TikTok. Poloo, friend me sexy Poloo. Donima Jojo, so me sama yanko. Akuapem Poloo, friend me sexy Poloo. Donima Jojo, so me sama yanko. Kwekwei, miku kwekwei. Kwekwei, mido kwekwei. Kwekwei, miku kwekwei. Kwekwei, mido kwekwei. Akuapem Poloo, friend me sexy Poloo, sexy. Donima Jojo, so me sama yanko. Yes, it's on YouTube. The video is on YouTube, Sexy Poloo. No. Sure, Sky, let's do something together. I know people are going to love it and we will push it so hard. Let's just hit the studio, okay? Let's do it before I go back to Nigeria, okay? Let's see what we can do. My birthday is just tomorrow. Tomorrow because we are already in Monday. So 1st June is my birthday. So let's see what we can do, Sky. I really want to record this song. And I know people will love it. You are kwekwe. I have my kwekwe already. Please excuse me, Mr. Kweku. I already have my kweku. Oh, Shatawale, I wish. But I don't think I'm Shatawale type to collaborate with. He loves me so much, but he loves me. I wish to do a song with him. I know Shatta loves me. Yes, and I know he knows I love him too. Love him as my big brother, please. Don't misquote me. Love him as my big brother, and he loves me as a sister as well. But I don't know his type of doing music, you know. But I know if I and Shatta meet on one song, it's going to blow, you know. It's going to be, you know, wicked, you know. I don't feel like sleeping. I don't feel like sleeping. You love me as your wife? Destiny. Are you ready for marriage? Destiny, are you ready for marriage? Why not? Medical 2 is a hit, yo. Medical 2 is a hit. If I should do a song with Medical, why not? I would love it. I would love to do a song with Sarkodie, Stoneboy, Shatawale, Medical, Shatawale, Stoneboy. You know I'm crazy. So I love hits. Article 1 there. If I should have Article 1 too, we can do something. Because he's also crazy like that. If I should have Eno Baroni, I can do something with her. I can't wait to do something with Eno Baroni. I can't wait to do a song with who else?
Alright. Y'all be safe.
You be safe, man. Thanks, guys. Hey, man.
I think I can do with Star Debbie as well, because I love the kind of music she do. Yes, Star Debbie too. I can blend with her.
Can we go? Yeah.
can blend with a
You're
baby.
looking to make a little extra cash, man. I can use somebody to mow my lawn on Sunday.
Oh, Kwesiata. I would like to do a song with Dako vibe.
You're welcome.
You guys are not getting me.
Be careful.
My kind of song that I'll be doing, these are the people I can do with. That it will vibe. Dako vibe, I know the kind of song Dako vibe does. And with me, with Dako vibe, and I like to do a song too with Jupiter. I'll be happy, the happiest, to do a song with Jupiter, Shatawale, Stoneboy, Sarkodie. Yeah. I can't wait. I'd love to do a song with. I can do a song with Kwao Kesi too. Kwao too is crazy like myself. Oh, Cardi B's own is high class, so it will be like a dream country, you know. I'm praying for that. Cardi, doing a song with Cardi. So I would like to do a song with Shatta, Stoneboy, Sarkodie, Jupiter, Dako vibe, Kwao Kese. Are you 2 bottles of my honey? Please call my business number 0245696369. Call my business number 0245696369. Call me and then I'll ship it to you. I ship it. I would love to do with Kwesiata, but I don't know if he can vibe with how I'll go.
It's okay, sweetie.
I don't know
Just want to make sure
if Kwesiata will come down to my level to do the kind of music
Hey, get away from him.
that I will do.
Sorry, ma'am. Just want to make sure he's okay.
Mind your own damn business. There's just a little boy in the
Medical too. I already mentioned medical because I know the kind of song medical do, and I know we can write. So if I get medical too, I said it long time. I can do with medical. That is if he's ready to record with me. I've written down song already. I just need to hit the studio and record. I know it's going to be a hit. Who is volunteering to produce my song? My next song, DM me. I'll hit the studio and it's going to be a hit because I get my mommy those cause celebrity. I get my papa in concern. I get Tunde Edmonds. I get Ronnie is everywhere. I get all the bloggers to promote it for me. I get it. I'm so special. I'm blessed. And I have the radio stations to promote it for me. So who is ready to sponsor or produce it for me?
What the hell happened to the street?
No,
Dispatch.
I can't do a song with Jackie.
1854 East 11th.
I like her songs, but I'm being fair. I'm not a hypocrite. I can't do a song with Jackie. I like her songs. I always vibe with her song in the house. You have to know the kind of song I will be doing. You know me. And you have to know the people I need to be on my song. I know Baroni. Yes, she's going to Ginger. Baroni will kill it. Sister Debbie is going to kill it. Medica is going to kill it. Stoneboy. Under there. Dada is going to kill it for me. Kevin Boy. Jesus. You know, the Ako vibe. Shatawale. And my legend Sarkodie. Fasha. Sack on my song. That's going to be a plus. No, Efia, the kind of music she does, she can't do with me. Let's face the fact. You know the kind of music some people does. I need hot in a ginger. And you have to understand why I go for Eno Baroni. You know why I'm going and why I'm going for Sister Debbie. You know the kind of music I'll be doing. I need these people on my song. Ohima, I love you too. See, like Adamu tribunal clause who pay me when you by force. It's Baroni who can kill this for me, you know. Shatawale can kill it. Those Stormboy can kill it. Dakovai could kill it with love. You know, this song that I want to do, I know the people who can ginger it for me. Jibita in the building, you know, and yes, I know Sister Debbie is going to kill it fast. She will not even think of what to say. She will just rattle it fast for me. So guys, yes, Macasio too is there. Maka too can be on this for me. Macasio too. I know Macasio can do it. Macasio can do it. Article 1 can kill it. Article 1 can kill it. Episode 2 is that crazy. Episode, he's too much. I don't know. That guy is too much, I swear. Episode 2 can kill it. Rough like that. I need someone who will ginger it. Kiddy. I don't know if Kiddy would love to do what I'll do. If he can come down to my level, that would be nice. Kiddy. I don't know if Kiddy would love to come to. Hey, Kim Promise. Oh yeah, Kim Promise. Oh yeah. I give him. He's too much, you know. That bro. He's too much. He doesn't rush. No. Kinata wouldn't do what I would do. I know the people who would do what I would do. Kwakesi would do. Jupiter would do. Shatawale would do. Stormboy would do. Sack would do. Dako Vibe would do. MDK would do. Kim Promise 2 can kill it for me. Episode can kill it. Article 1 can kill it for me. So I'm praying hard to get any of them. And the female there, Baroni, Sister Derby, female.
Closest weapon on a female, black 30s.
The guys, please help me. The female, because I'm sure of Eno Baroni and Sister Debbie. They can kill my kind of music. That I would, yeah, Macasio can kill it, I know. With Maca, I've worked with him before. I even have to DM him and see what we can do.
So a black female, 30s.
Sister Fia will not do the kind of music I do. It won't ginger me. I know that.